Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we're producing, head on over to YouTube, join our channel by hitting that subscribe button. And you can follow me individually on Twitter at JustAnalysis1. Taking a look here at Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, big drop. The rest of the cryptocurrency market had its nice big nosedive, and Ethereum did too. From last week's open to the low of this week, the drive down has been pretty substantial, a 34.7% drop. And when you measure it from the price measure, when you measure it from the all-time high to the low, that's 55.6% drop. But if you measure it from the one last May to the low in July, it's not as bad as that one. So, of course, you put things into perspective. This is one of the psychological things, is that this move, while a little bit longer but not as dramatic, it's, I guess you're kind of splitting hairs when you're saying 55% isn't bad as 60%, but people tolerate a drop from May in July because it's summertime, people go outside, it's nice, but in the wintertime it just kind of adds to the misery, so it makes it feel a little bit worse. But looking at the price action here, this weekly candlestick, this is a beautiful reversal candlestick on top of the strong bounce it's had off of the 786 retracement. The optics bands on the weekly chart have hit the extreme oversold level for the first time in its history, and the composite index has hit a low that has not been seen since September of 2019, and it's the second lowest low since March of 2018. So if you're looking for something that is screaming oversold, this is it. And I kind of just wanted to show this image as kind of a that's not it. Where's that? It's over here somewhere. Right over here. It's right here. So this is for Bitcoin, but this is basically sums up how people operate. You have these huge pullbacks and everybody's afraid. They don't want to get into Ethereum where it's at. They don't want to get into Bitcoin where it's at, but everybody will pile in when it gets close to the all-time high because they don't want to miss out. But nobody wants to participate down here. This is just kind of one of the curses of trading and in the psychology of markets, is that if you're somebody who back in early November said, man, I wished I would have bought Ethereum back in July. Well, Jiminy Cricket just granted you your wish and it came true, because that's where it's sitting at right now. But a lot of people, they look at this 55% down. They think, oh my gosh, it's going to go lower. Could it? Sure. But the downside risk here is not as costly as the opportunity lost of missing out on if it does even move from here to its all-time high or higher. So, and plus, a 55% move down is a very normal standard retracement in a bull market. Bitcoin goes through these, altcoins go through this. This is pretty standard retracement for Ethereum. Is it triggering a new bear market? It could, but more than likely it's signaling a resumption of the move higher. I maintain that the series declination cycle is the dominant cycle to follow here, and that we won't see a return to a real bear market until the very end of June and very beginning of July of this year. Anyways, that's what I see. I will leave it there, and we'll update this as needed. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.